What if I told you that the best airport in the world is not in Europe, not in America, but in a tiny island nation in Southeast Asia, and it has held that title for 12 years in a row? We are talking about Singapore Changi Airport, a place so extraordinary, so technologically advanced, and so beautifully designed that millions of people actually book layovers here on purpose, just to spend more time inside it. Today, we are going inside Changi, and I am going to show you exactly why this airport is in a league of its own. Singapore Changi Airport serves over 65 million passengers every single year. That is an enormous number. But here is what is truly remarkable. Despite that scale, Changi consistently delivers one of the smoothest, fastest, and most enjoyable travel experiences on the planet. How? The answer is technology. Artificial intelligence, automation, biometrics, and robotics, all working together behind the scenes, every single second of every single day. Let us break it all down. Let us start with the most jaw-dropping part of Changi. Jewel. Jewel Changi is a massive dome-shaped structure connected directly to the airport terminals. And the moment you walk inside, you see it, the Rain Vortex, a waterfall 40 meters tall, crashing down from the roof in the center of the building. It is the tallest indoor waterfall on Earth. But Jewel is not just a showpiece. The entire structure, the temperature, the humidity, the lighting, the airflow, is managed by an AI climate control system, running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The system constantly monitors conditions across the entire dome and makes thousands of micro-adjustments every hour to keep everything perfectly balanced. No human team could ever achieve this level of precision. Now let us talk about the technology that actually moves passengers through Changi. The airport uses one of the most advanced biometric systems in the world. Facial recognition cameras are installed at every single checkpoint. Check-in counters, immigration gates, and boarding gates. When you approach any of these points, the camera captures your face, maps thousands of unique facial points, and matches them against your passport data stored securely in the system, all in under 30 seconds. No fumbling for documents, no handing over your passport. You simply walk up, look at the camera, and you are cleared. It is seamless, it is fast, and it is incredibly accurate. But what about your luggage? This is where Changi truly separates itself from every other airport in the world. Beneath the terminals runs over 30 kilometers of automated conveyor belts, a massive underground network that moves bags from the check-in counter all the way to your aircraft without a single human touching them. Every bag is tagged with an RFID chip the moment you drop it off. That chip is scanned and tracked in real time at every single point along its journey. The system processes over 8,000 bags every hour, with an accuracy rate of 99.9%. Lost luggage at Changi is so rare it is almost a myth. Security screening at Changi is equally impressive. The airport has deployed CT scanning technology, the same type used in hospitals, to screen every piece of carry-on luggage. This means no more removing your laptop. No more taking out your liquids. You simply place your bag on the belt and walk through. The CT scanner creates a full 3-dimensional image of everything inside your bag, and an AI system analyzes it in milliseconds, automatically flagging anything that requires a closer look. It is faster, more thorough, and far less stressful than traditional X-ray screening. And if you ever need help navigating the airport, you might run into XIAN, Changi's AI-powered robot assistant. XIAN roams the terminals, answers passenger questions, provides directions, and can even escort confused travelers directly to their gates. Changi also uses artificial intelligence to manage the entire flow of passengers across the airport in real time. Smart queuing systems monitor crowd density at every checkpoint and predict buildup before it even happens, automatically redirecting passengers to less busy areas. Digital wayfinding screens throughout the terminals update instantly based on live flight data. If your gate changes, every screen in the airport reflects that change within seconds. And keeping the airport spotlessly clean, despite millions of passengers every week, are a fleet of autonomous cleaning robots. These robots use onboard sensors and AI mapping to navigate the terminals, detect areas that need attention, and clean them entirely on their own without any human direction. And Changi is not done yet. Right now, Terminal 5 is under construction, and when it opens, it will be larger than Terminals 1, 2, and 3 combined. Terminal 5 will be fully biometric from end to end, almost entirely automated, and powered by renewable energy sources. Singapore's vision is to build an airport so advanced, so efficient, and so extraordinary that it sets the global standard for the next 50 years. Looking at what they have already achieved, it is very hard to bet against them. So there you have it, Singapore Changi Airport, the Rain Vortex. Face recognition that clears you in 30 seconds. 30 kilometers of automated baggage belts. CT scan security. AI robots. And a Terminal 5 that will redefine air travel as we know it. This is not just an airport. It is a glimpse into the future of how humans will move around the world. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been to Changi Airport? What was your experience like? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, because we bring you the best technology content from around the world every single week. See you in the next one.